The lesson in this video is all about the 6 rules of the law of indices. Okay, let's have rule number 1. Say a to the power of 0 is always 1, or any number raised to a power of 0 is always 1, except a must not be equal to 0. Let us see if say 2 to the power of 0 is 1. The best way to explain this one is using the division rule, which is 2 to the power of say 3 divided by 2 to the power of say 2 to the power of 3. And as long as they have the same base at the numerator and at the denominator, okay, and then you just subtract the exponents of 3 minus 3, that gives you 2 to the power of 0, and this is 1. Another way of writing this one is, so we have 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 2 times 2, and then if you cancel that, that gives you 1. You cancel that, that gives you 1. You cancel this, that should give you 1, and we have the answer is 1. Okay. We also have the second rule, which is fractional exponent. Okay, so we have a number, okay, to the power of a fraction, say n over m. This is the same way of writing. You have your denominator is always the root. So m root of your base a to the power of n. Okay? Remember that the denominator is always your root. Okay? And then your numerator is the power of your base. Example, we have 16 to the power of 1/2. Okay? So this is the same way as writing. Your 2 is your root. So 2 root of the base is 16 to the power of 1. Or this one is the same as writing square root of 16. Okay? Another example, say 27 to the power of 2 over 3, or say, okay, 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3. And this is the same as writing cube root. Okay? And then you have the base, which is 27, okay, to the power of 1. Okay? So, it is telling you that what is the cube root of 27? Cube root of 27. Okay? That gives you 3, and this gives you 12. Okay, so this is the second rule of the law of indices. Okay, let's move on to number 3. The third rule of the law of indices, we have the negative exponent. So we have a to the power of, say, negative n. Okay, this is the same way as writing. You have 1 over a to the power of n. Okay. Example, we have, say, 2 to the power of negative 1. Okay. This is the same way as writing 1 over 2 to the power of 1. Okay. Or this is 1/2. Okay. Another example, say 2 to the power of, say, negative 4. And this is the same as writing 1 over 2 to the power of 4. Okay? Or you can write this one as 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that should give you 1 over 16. Okay, that is rule number 3. Another one is we have the multiplication rule. The multiplication rule states that you have a base, say a, to the power of n, okay, multiplied by the same base a to the power of, say, m, The rule is you need to add the exponents. So you just copy the base since they have the same base. So a to the power of n plus n. Okay, you just add the exponents and copy the base. Example, we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by, say, 2 to the power of, say, 2. Okay, and that gives you 2 to the power of 5. Okay, another example, say, 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. This should give you, well, this is 1. Okay, this should give you 3 to the power of 3 or 3 cubed. Okay, so we have the fifth one. The fifth one is we have division rule. The division rule is a to the power of, say, n divided by a to the power of m. The division rule states that if you have the same base at the numerator and at the denominator, you need to subtract their exponents. So we have a to the power of n minus m. Okay, example, we have 4 to the power of, say, 2 divided by 4 to the power of, say, 2 again. And that gives you 4 to the power of 0, or this is 1. Okay? You can see that any number raised to a power of 0 gives you 1. And that is in rule number 1. Okay, so we have the last rule. Okay, can we have another example for this one? Another example for this, we have, say, 3 to the power of, say, 2 divided by 3 to the power of, say, 3. Okay, we have 3 to the power of 2 minus 3, and this should give us 3 to the power of negative 1. Okay, as much as possible, we don't like a negative negative exponent, so you can look back at rule number 3, wherein you can write this one as 1 over 3 to the power of 1 or 1 over 3. Okay, so let's do the last rule, which is product to a power rule. What is this? Say a, b to the power of, say, n. Okay, product to a power rule. This is the same way as telling you that your base raised to that power. So a to the power of n, and then b to the power of n. Okay? Example, we have 2 multiplied by 3, all to the power of, say, 2. And this should give us 4 multiplied by, you have 3 to the power of 3, that gives you 9, or that gives you 36. Okay, so applying these rules of the law of indices would make your calculations in your mathematics work, and this is how we do it, and it's just very easy to do it. See you in the next video. Thank you.